Hopefully this is the issue. I'm pretty confident it is. Honestly, I don't have the time to do it. Like an hour and a half, 2 hours for me is a lot of time. Prices are expensive. I know that, guys. They're very busy and they charge what they charge, and it's just what it is. But they do very good work. Good morning, everyone. It is 6:14 in the morning. This is a follow-up video to another video we did when we talked about an issue we had with our levelers. We'll link that above. However, I'm on the way out to Gerber RV in Hackensack, New Jersey. In that last video, remember I had changed out, I guess it's the controller. I don't know what it's called, but it's very common part that goes bad on the equalizer system, especially on the Newmar motorhomes, just to weather exposure. I changed it out, but we still have problems with the levelers. They won't retract, they won't extend. After some troubleshooting at NARVC, they believe it's the actual hydraulic pump motor, and it kind of sounds that way. It sounds like it's on its last leg or it's dead already. The good thing is it's not that big of a job. I believe the part is about $200 and something, maybe like an hour and a half of labor. However, we do have our extended warranty from wholesale warranty, and we've done, I don't know, this is probably the second or third claim, maybe the fourth claim, I don't know. But everything on the leveling system is covered with the plan we have. So I have a $200 deductible. However, I'm gonna let Gerber RV do it because honestly, I don't have the time to do it. Like an hour and a half, 2 hours for me is a lot of time. So we're going to take it out there. And I don't know if that's the only problem. We're going to let them fully diagnose the system, if there's any other issues with it, or if it needs a whole new system. I don't know, but it's going to be covered. So we're going to take you along. As you know, every time you go into a RV repair center, we say $1,000 is the entry fee. So we'll see what the bill is at the end, ultimately what the diagnosis is, and how they fixed it. So it's the next day. We got a call from Gerber. It's actually the motor. So the motor of the equalizer system, the leveling system, is not working. They ordered the part. They are super swamped. Obviously, it is RV season. And then they also do a lot of commercial vehicles, hospitals, police departments also. They are swamped. So I picked it up on the way back home. They should have the part by early next week. It is fully covered by wholesale warranty. We don't have a price yet, but once they get the part and do the install, it's not a big job. It's probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours, if that. We'll let you know what the whole price is. But that is the thing. We swapped out that controller or whatever, solenoid. Might have been the issue, but might have been part of a bigger issue, which makes sense why they continue giving us a problem. So we'll keep you guys updated. 6 days later. Now, just keep in mind, we took the coach in, I believe it was Wednesday. They were testing it. They couldn't really replicate the issue. I told them to put the levelers down, leave it overnight, and see if the levelers failed again. And then they got a call Thursday that yes, they did fail. Yes, they believe it's the motor. They call wholesale warranty. It was approved the same day. They ordered the part Thursday. They're closed Saturday and Sunday. They got the part on Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. So 7 days. 1 week later, I'm bringing it back in. It'll be done today. Hopefully this is the issue. I'm pretty confident it is, but they can get this resolved essentially in 1 day. The wait was really for the parts. You know, the wholesale warranty proved it the same day. We'll see what the total cost is. Hopefully this resolves the issue, and we can get on the road tomorrow because we're heading back out to PA for another campground review and some other things we're going to do. All right, so everything is fixed, guys. They did replace the motor. That was the problem. You can hear it going in the background. I'm just testing it out before I pull out. So what was the final cost? What did the wholesale warranty pay? What did I want to have to pay and we have to wind up paying? The total cost, it was a motor replacement, $206.95 for the motor. Shop supplies $14.66. Labor $5.55. Shipping was $31.25, and then waste removal $4.14. Grand total with tax $865.80. The insurance paid $563.20. I had to pay $302.60. So I don't know what the grand total is or how much we've put in claims already. If not surpassed what the actual policy was, it is getting very close. We're probably going to do a follow-up video regarding all the claims we've put in. Again, it was approved same day. What took the longest was to get the parts, which took a couple days just because it was ordered midweek. So far, I've been very happy with wholesale warranty. Prices are expensive. I know that, guys. Gerber RV is really one of the few shops in New Jersey that even does work, or at least in our area. And they're very busy, and they charge what they charge, and it's just what it is. But they do very good work. So you want more information about wholesale warranty, we will put our link below. We also have videos about our experience with it. We'll link those above. And like I said, we'll do a follow-up video on our 1 year of using it and just tallying up how much it has cost as far as the policy and how much they've actually paid out. And we still have over a year left on the policy, and I have a feeling we'll probably be using it again. I hope not, but I have a feeling we will. So in the comments below, guys, let us know, have you had problems with your RV levelers in general? Do you have an extended warranty? Have you used it? Have you used wholesale warranty? What has been your experience? We want to know that. Not only we want to know that, but also a lot of our viewers want to know that, and it's good to share information. And if you like videos like this, to the left of us, we're going to put our RV newbies playlist, our RV DIY playlist, and for myself, MJ's not here, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.